everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we will see together how to convert a string into an integer. First of all, I'm going to explain a few things you need to know. Indeed, we can talk about converting a variable with a string or an int, byte or float type, etc., but only if we have a number stored in the string type variable. So if our variable stores an integer in string type, we can convert it. However, if our variable has a number but also a letter, a word, etc., then it will be impossible to convert it because we can't convert letters into a number. I will give you an example. Here we will create a string type variable. Then we will name it test, for example, then add an equal sign and the number 30 in quotation marks. And don't forget the semicolon. If we want to convert this value into an integer in int type, for example, it will work. Now, if I add hello next to the number 30, well, it won't work anymore because, as I said, you can't convert a string into an integer. It is important to remember that you have to put an integer in quotes to be able to convert it. Now we will see how to convert the number 30, currently in string type, into an int type. To do this, we first need to create a variable in int type. Since the value of our variable will change, we have to create a variable that is the same type to which we want to convert our value. And here we want to convert the value to int, so we will create a variable in int type. Then we will name it conversion, for example, then add the equal sign, and now it's here that we are going to make our conversion. We'll use a function to transform a string into an integer int. And this function will start with the type that you want. So here int. Then we will add a dot and parse. Then in brackets the variable you want to convert. Here is test. We will now try to display this value and we can see that it works. If I want to play with this value and add 1, for example, well, it's possible because it is now considered as a number. I'm going to test. After console.readline, I'm going to write conversion is equal to conversion plus 1 semicolon. Basically, I'm incrementing the value stored in conversion by 1. So I am adding actually. If everything goes as expected, the program should display 31 in the Apple window. And as you can see, 31 is displayed. In the previous video, we have seen that when we type +1 with what the user has entered, the program has directly transformed our 1 into a string because the function that allows it to interact with the user takes back everything in string type, whether it will type a number or not. The computer here will then execute the program. However, it will not directly convert a number already typed into another number. It is not aware of what the user is going to do with it, so it will convert the +1 and concatenate it with what the user has entered. It is also important to note that this is specific to the latest version of C#. Indeed, some languages will display that it is now possible to convert a +1 into a string, like Python for example. Now you know how to convert a string into an integer. I hope you enjoyed this video and my explanations were clear to you.